Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss types of networks. Class 9th Computer, chapter number 2, Understanding Computer. So, let's start. Type of computers. Network is a group of computers linked to each other that enable the computer to communicate with another computer and share their resources, data, and application. A computer network can be categorized by their size. A computer network is mainly four types: LAN, local area network; PAN, personal area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; and WAN, wide area network. Local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area, such as building, office. LAN is used for connecting two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as twist wire, coaxial cable, etc. It is less costly as it is built with inexpensive hardware such as hubs, network adapter, and cables. The data is transferred at an extremely faster rate in local area network. Local area network provides higher securities. Second, PAN, personal area network. Personal area network is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. A personal area network is used for connecting the computer devices of personal use is known as personal network. Personal area network covers an area of 30 feet. Personal computer devices that are used to develop the personal area network are the laptop, mobile phone, media player, and PlayStation. Now, next, metropolitan area. MAN. A metropolitan area is a large network that covers a larger area by interconnecting a different LAN to form a larger network. Government agencies used MAN to connect to the citizen and provide industries. In MAN, various LANs are connected to each other through a telephone exchange line. The most widely used protocol in MAN are RS-232, Frame Relay, ATM, ISDN, OS3, etc. It has a higher range than local area network. MAN is used in communication between the banks in a city. It can be used in an airline reservation. It can be used in a college within a city, and it can also be used for communication in the military. Now next is a quite bigger network than the LAN. A wide area network is not limited to a single location, but it snaps over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optics, cable, etc. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. A wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government, and education. Example of wide area network: mobile broadband. A 4G network is widely used across a region of or country. A telecom company is used to provide the internet service to the customer in hundreds of cities by connecting their home with fiber. A bank provides a private network that connects the 44 office. This network is made by using the telephone leased line provided by the telecom companies. Advantage of Wide area network. A wide area network provides a large geographical area. Suppose if the branch of office is in a different city, then we can connect with them through WAN. A internet provides a leased line through which we can connect with another branch. In case of WAN, network data is centralized. Therefore, we do not need to buy the emails files or backup saves. Our next topic is understanding Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a popular wireless networking technology. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. The wireless was invented by NCR Corporation in Netherlands in 1991. By using this technology, we can exchange the information between two or more computers devices. Wi-Fi has been developed for mobile computing devices such as laptops, but it is now extensively using for mobile application and consumer electronics like televisions, DVD players and digital cameras. There should be two possibilities in communicating with the Wi-Fi connection that may be thought access point to the client connection or client to client connection. Wi-Fi is a one type of wireless technology. It is commonly called as wireless LAN, local area network, WLAN. Wi-Fi allows local area networks to operate without cable and routing. It is making popular choice for home and business networks. A computer's wireless adapter transfer the data into a radio signal and transfer the data into antenna for users. Working principle: Wi-Fi is a high-speed network connection without use of any cable or wires. The Wi-Fi network is operating three essential elements that are radio signals, antenna and router. The radio waves are keys which make the Wi-Fi networking possible. The computers and cell phones are ready with Wi-Fi cards. Wi-Fi compatibility has been using a new creation to constituent within the ground connected with community network. The actual broadcast is connected within sequence. In fact, it is completed by way of stereo system stuff as well as the worth of wires with monitor to classes phone. Wi-Fi allows the person in order to get access to wave any place in the actual provided area. You can now generate a system within stores, libraries, schools, college, campus, personal institutes. For example, your car stereo receives frequencies in kilohertz and megahertz range, AM and FM stations, and Wi-Fi transmits and receives data in the gigahertz range. In fact, communication across a wireless network is a lot like two-way radio communication. Here's understand what happens. First, a computer's wireless adapter translates data into a radio signal and transmits it using an antenna. Second, a wireless router receives the signal and decodes it. The router sends the information to the internet using a physical wired Ethernet connection. Third, the process also works in receivers with the router receiving information from the internet translating it into a radio signal and sending it to the computer's wireless adapter. What is wireless hotspot? It is simply an area with an essential wireless network. The term is most often used to refer to wireless networks in public area like airports and coffee shops. So thank you students. I hope you have must understood. If you have any problem, please ask me your doubts and please note down all question answer in your computer notebooks. Thank you students.